Hello, people. This is my 13th video of the day, and I am reviewing the Dove Beauty Bath Care Beauty, no, Cream Beauty Bath Bathing Bar. People, when the Dove began their ad campaign, when they came to India for the first time, I remember being fascinated. Yeah, I mean, because here is a soap that the advertising campaign was very good because it's been a decade since the first, more than a decade, yeah, since the first ad came on air. But I still remember it, that how to they gave this product to real life consumers, and they got their opinions. It was very effective. So I would say Dove is a very creamy soap, which is how a good soap should be, really. I mean, because that means it doesn't dry the skin. So there, that is special. But yeah, I go with the generous 3-star rating, which is like 3 stars in movies is a good thing, right? So it's and I love all the range from Dove in terms of the other the body wash range, or the kind of creams that they have. And did you know this is a very little known tip, that between cream and lotion, one should always opt for lotion, because lotion has more water content in it, and the body as such, water is a good thing, right, for the body. Whatever you apply on the skin will go within, and it has an effect. So I didn't know this, that especially with while looking after babies and children, always opt for a lotion. That's why they have more of baby lotions than baby creams. Something to think about. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.